Hello, welcome in the new part, in the new video with the new point. In this point, we will study about the political radicalism and economic crisis in the Germany. In the earlier point, we have studied the First World War and effects of the First World War on the Germany. Now, what political thoughts emerged in the Germany and what economic crisis occurred in the Germany, that we will see. This point we will study in the two parts. In the first part, the political radicalism, the changes in the political field, and in the second slide, the economic crisis. The birth of the Weimar Republic coincided with the uprising of the Spartacist League on the pattern of the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. The existence of the Weimar Republic came at that time when, on the other hand, on the other places, the uprising of Spartacist League also taken place. The uprising, the revolt of the Spartacist was on the base of or in that pattern which was Bolshevik Revolution taken place in the Russia. How the Bolshevik Revolution taken place in Russia, we have studied in the last chapter, that is the second chapter of the history. The Soviets of workers and sailors were established in many cities. The Soviet Unions. This is also you have studied in the second chapter. What happened in Russia in that way? There was formation, establishment, organizations of Soviets in the Germany also in the many cities. The atmosphere in the political field in the Germany charged with the demand of Soviet-style governance. People were asking here that kind of government which was taken place in the Germany. But it was opposed by the Socialist Democrats and Catholics. These people, the Socialist Democrats and Catholics, were not in favor of the Soviet-style governance. The Socialist Democrats and Catholics met in the Weimar to give shape to the Democratic Republic. These people were trying to give shape the German polity in the Democratic Republic. So the Weimar Republic crushed the uprising. The Weimar Republic crushed the uprising with the help of Free Corps. Free Corps. It was the organization of the veterans. Veterans means the people, the person who served in the army, who worked in the army. The revolution, the uprising revolt of the Spartacists was crushed by the Weimar Republic. The anguished Spartacist, depressed, is depressed Spartacist or distressed Spartacist later founded the Communist Party of Germany. These people founded, the Spartacists founded the Communist Party of Germany after the crushing their revolution by the Weimar Republic. Communists and Socialists henceforth became irreconcilable enemy and could not make common cause against Hitler. In this way, the Communists and Socialists stand against of each other, and this standing not because of this one, these people not came together to make any cause, or there was no any cause to come these people together against the Hitler. Both revolutionaries and militant nationalists craved for radical solution. Both were looking for the radical solution of the politics. The Spartacist, the communist also, and the nationalist also, the militant nationalist also. These both were looking for the radical solution of the polity in the Germany, but they didn't get because these both were stand against of the each other. They were irreconcilable enemies of the each against. Irreconcilable, that is the not easy to settle, or there was not any chance to settle down the issues among them. This was the polity of the Germany. These political changes again helped or facilitated with the another crisis. What that crisis? They were the economic crisis. So on the economic base, what happened in the Germany, we'll see here. Economic crisis. The political radicalization was highlighted by the economic crisis of 1923. The political radicalism got help, or this highlights the economic crisis which occurred in the Germany in the year of 1923. As Germany refused to pay the war reparation, France occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr. When the Germany refused to pay the reparation, France occupied its leading industrial area, which was in the Ruhr region. Germany retaliated with printing paper currency recklessly. Germany tried to come out, repair the problems. To repair this problem, the economic crisis, they printed paper currency on a large scale, recklessly, without any thinking on a large scale. The act was done to make the currency. With too much printed money in circulation, the value of German mark fell. Because the money was printed on a large scale, money was available, circulated in the market on a large scale. When the paper money came in the market on a large scale, the value of mark was failed. How it failed in compared to dollar, it is given here. In the April, it was 24,000 marks as equal to $1. In July, 3,53,000. Day by day, month by month, the value of mark is declined, and the economic crisis soared here. As the value of the mark collapsed, prices of goods soared. As the value collapsed, decreased, the prices of goods soared, increased. There was one image which was circulated in the world to collect the sympathy. The person who wanted to buy a loaf of bread was carrying a cartloads of the currency. This crisis came to be known as hyperinflation. Hyperinflation, increasing prices in the short time. Mahagai, a situation when prices rise phenomenally high. So these were the economic crisis in the Germany. Then who helped them to come out from it? How Germany managed their economic crisis? Here America intervened and bailed Germany out of the crisis by introducing the Dawes Plan. America introduced the Dawes Plan and given some relief to the Germany from the pain reparation of the First World War, and it made some easy to financial burden on the Germans. So these were the political and economical crises in the Germany. It given lead to the rise of dictator. In this part, we are studying the background for the rising dictator. What was happening? The dictator is not rising in a one day. The situations were there, the ground was there, the pitch was ready there. So in that pitch, this dictator came in the focus or came in the force. In this video, we have seen the political and economic crisis in the Germany. The next point we will study the years of depression.